keeping first things first means what is most important to you? I'm asking all of you the question. That means health. No, you answer my question. Health, wealth, or relationships? Give me whatever comes first, second, and third. In whatever order. So I'm asking you, okay, in what order you want, you write down, you can write R, W, H, or you can write H, W, R, or you can write whichever you write, So everyone has written differently, all right. Wealth. Let's say you have kept wealth in front, okay, in the first. You will have all the wealth, okay, but you are in a hospital. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? No, it's not worth it. Okay, let's say you kept relationships in the front, okay, in the first. You got fantastic relationships, but you don't have health. You don't have health to enjoy the relationship. Is it worth it? You are sick on the bed. You love your mother, you love your wife, you love your children, but you are sick on the bed. Is it worth it? So what needs to be number one? Definitely health. What needs to be number two? What needs to be number two? Definitely relationships. Because relationships will give you your health. Your health is a combination of food, exercise, thoughts, beliefs, consciousness. Okay? Now, so if health, you will be aware of the food you're eating, you'll be aware of the exercise you do, you'll be aware of the thoughts you're thinking, the beliefs. So, in case health also includes emotional health. So, if your relationship, if you eat the best of food, you have a best of exercise, but you're not able to manage your thoughts, beliefs, then your relationships will go this way. And if relationship goes this way, no matter what good food you eat and what good exercise you do, you will yet fall ill health because your emotional quotient is not taken care of. The emotional beliefs or the emotional health is not taken care of. So the emotions need to be managed, which is a byproduct of thoughts. So if thoughts are managed, emotions are managed, and beliefs are managed, then thoughts are managed. So consciousness is managed, then beliefs are managed, then thoughts are managed. So basically, if you know, put first things first, health comes first. And with health, emotional health also comes first. Emotional health is good, then you have super. If your health is good, that means you have good body, healthy body. With that, if you have emotional health, then you have healthy relationships. And if you have these two, money can flow in if you have the focus. Money will flow in if you have the focus. Money is a natural attraction if you have the begin with the end in mind also. If you have begin with the end of the mind also with this, then money will flow in and law of attraction, money will be attracted towards you. But we need to leave first things first. In Stephen Covey's language, he is given one time matrix and he's made like this 4, urgent, not urgent, important, not important. He's made this matrix. So urgent, not urgent, and important, not important. Like this, he's made one matrix. Most of the people, we rarely spend our time we spend everything in urgent. What is important, we forget. Not urgent, we send. And not important, we spend. Not important means Facebook, social media, Instagram, surfing, Googling, and seeing one video, then seeing the second video and fourth, and then skipping the TV channels, all this gossiping, reading film magazines, So most of us, many of us spend a lot of time in not important things. True or false? So if we cut out that not important, not important things, and we focus on important but not urgent. Important means, as he says, important means writing down visions, which we teach in TSC program. Time management chart planning, which we teach in TSC program. How to manage your time, TSC program. How to organize yourself, TSC program. To-do lists, TSC program. Communication channel, TSC program. So all this basically is in the TSC program. Planning, all the important but not, this is not urgent but important, the Leah time, the gratitude, all what we teach in DYL as well as in TSC. It is basically about the important things. So that is what is first things first. If we can manage our time, everyone has 24 hours. I jokingly say, now my latest dialogue is, I'm Vella. Vella means I have all the time in the world. No, all the time in the world. Vella means all the time in the world. I have all the time in the world, but then I add one adjective to it. I'm planned Vella. That means if anyone, I'm not just like that. Oh, you'll call me. I have time. No, I never have time for anyone. But I have all the time for everyone. You understand what I'm saying? I never have time for anyone, but I have time all the time for everyone in the world. What do you mean by this? It means I am very alertful of my time. I also have time to gossip. I also have time to joke. I also have time to just do nothing. But it's all planned. It's planned means if you tell me I want to speak to you, I say, okay, I'll call you in a day or two. And when I speak to you, I'm only speaking to you. I don't have. So I have all the time. At the same time, I'm very particular of my time. This combination is a net result of us applying this time matrix. Urgent, important, not urgent, not important. So I'm a planned Vella.